Are you literally lying awake at night just totally overwhelmed by the sheer cost of health insurance? Or, maybe you're uninsured right now and you're feeling that crushing anxiety that one unexpected medical emergency could just wipe out your entire life savings. It's terrifying, right? Or maybe you're already paying a small fortune every single month for a plan that barely even covers your needs and you just feel totally stuck. Let's be real. The health insurance system can feel like a massive labyrinth designed to confuse you and completely drain your wallet. But what if I told you that relief is not only entirely possible, but frankly, it's highly probable?
90%. Let that sink in for a second. 90%. That's the percentage of Pennie enrollees who actually qualify for financial savings that massively lower their monthly costs. 9 out of 10. So if you're a Pennsylvania resident, the odds are overwhelmingly in your favor that you're leaving serious money on the table right now if you aren't utilizing this system.
So, welcome to this explainer. Today, I'm going to be your trusted guide through an actionable, definitive playbook on exactly how to successfully secure health coverage through Pennie. We're not just going to skim the surface here. We are going to unpack the exact step-by-step process. So, even if you're a complete beginner to health insurance, you're going to walk away from this explainer with absolute confidence and a crystal clear path forward.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, welcome to Pennie. Then, gathering your information, understanding your eligibility, the application process, verifying and choosing plans, and finally, support and next steps. Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. Welcome to Pennie. What exactly is the Pennie system? Basically, Pennie is Pennsylvania's official state-based health insurance marketplace. A few years ago, Pennsylvania actually transitioned away from the federal healthcare.gov system to create Pennie. Why? Well, to keep user fees local and redirect those funds into consumer affordability programs right here in PA. But listen, here is the absolute most important thing you need to know. Pennie is literally the only place where you can get federal premium tax credits to lower your monthly costs. You just can't get these subsidies by going directly to an insurance company. No way. Plus, every single plan on Pennie is legally required to guarantee 10 essential health benefits. We're talking things like emergency care, hospitalization, maternity care, and mental health services. They absolutely must cover pre-existing conditions without charging you a dime more. And because it's the official state marketplace, you're fully protected against scams and those low-quality junk plans.
Moving right along to Section 2, gathering your information. Because trust me, preparation is absolutely key here.
I highly encourage you to grab your phone and snap a picture of this prep checklist, or just write it down. Before you even open a browser tab to start your application, you want to have these specific items physically on your desk or saved in a folder on your computer. You're going to need a photo ID for yourself and whoever else is applying. You'll need social security numbers for everyone in the household who actually has one. Next, grab your last 4 weeks of pay stubs so we can accurately estimate your current income, right alongside your most recent tax returns to give us the big picture. And, if it applies to your situation, definitely have your immigration documents ready to prove lawful presence, since that's a requirement for coverage. Having all this ready up front turns what could be a super frustrating hour-long application into a totally breezy 15-minute task. Now that we've gathered our documents, let's talk about what makes you eligible in Section 3. Understanding your eligibility. It's time for some Magi math.
So the absolute crucial point here is understanding MAGI. MAGI stands for Modified Adjusted Gross Income. Now, when Pennie calculates your subsidies, they don't just look at your raw salary. They look at this MAGI number. It's basically your adjusted gross income, which includes your wages, business income, real estate rentals, and unemployment benefits, minus certain deductions, like traditional IRA contributions or student loan interest. But here's the real kicker. To get your actual MAGI, you have to add back in any tax-exempt municipal bond interest and untaxed Social Security benefits. This specific calculation is basically the golden key that unlocks your eligibility.
Let's translate those abstract concepts into some tangible math, looking at the 2026 and 2027 MAGI maximums based on the 400% federal poverty level cliff. To actually qualify for premium subsidies, your MAGI has to be at or below these specific numbers. For a single person, that limit is $63,840. For a married couple, it's $86,560. And listen, this is super important. If your MAGI goes over this limit, literally even by one single dollar, you could lose all your subsidies and face a massive bill at tax time. It's a hard cliff. But if you're under these limits, you are right in the sweet spot for some serious financial help. Okay, Section 4, the application process. Let's get this done.
The digital application flow is actually incredibly straightforward. First up, you'll go to Pennie.com and create your secure account. Second, you'll use those documents we just gathered to input your exact household size and your carefully calculated MAGI information. And step 3, you just submit the application. Now, I want to stress something absolutely critical right here. Simply submitting the application does not commit you to buying anything. It's completely free, and it's literally the only way to officially unlock your exact financial savings. You submit it, the system crunches the numbers, and it tells you down to the penny exactly how much the government is going to chip in for your premium. Now, I know not everyone is super comfortable doing all this online, and that is totally fine. If you'd prefer a physical paper application, Pennie has a secure offline track that gives you the exact same benefits and subsidies. You just download the Pennie paper application, fill the whole thing out, and mail it directly to their processing center down in Birmingham, Alabama. It really ensures that absolutely everyone, regardless of their tech setup, has access to affordable healthcare.
Which brings us to Section 5, verifying and choosing plans. We are so close to finalizing your coverage.
Now, this is where I need to give you a massive pro tip so you can avoid a really common pitfall. Sometimes you'll get hit with what's called a DMI, a data matching issue. This basically happens when the Pennie system can't automatically verify your income, citizenship, or other details with the federal databases. If that happens, they're going to ask you to upload or mail supporting documents. You usually get about 30 days to resolve this. And guys, do not ignore a DMI. Seriously, if you fail to submit those requested documents before that deadline, you could lose your financial savings entirely. Just poof, gone. And this brilliantly illustrates why you need to watch your mail carefully. If you see an email in your inbox, a notification pop up on your digital dashboard, or you get a physical letter in your mailbox bearing the official Pennie logo, you need to open it immediately. It very well might be a notice regarding a data matching issue. Remember, the absolute fastest way to resolve it is to just log right into your portal, find the Verification and Documents tab, and upload a clear photo or PDF of the requested document straight from your phone. Okay, once everything is verified and your subsidies are securely locked in, it is shopping time. You'll get to browse and compare all the available plans, which are neatly categorized into bronze, silver, gold, and platinum tiers. But here is my biggest piece of advice for you. Please do not just blindly pick the cheapest premium. Take a minute and use the filters on the Pennie portal. Check to make sure your preferred primary care doctor, your specialists, and your specific prescription medications are actually covered in the plan's network and formulary. Once you find that perfect fit, you have to pay your first month's premium. That payment is the literal finish line. I can't stress this enough. Your coverage is not active until that first premium is paid.
All right, we made it to Section 6, support and next steps.
Look, if you hit a roadblock, or if that MAGI math is just totally confusing you, or honestly, if you just want a second pair of eyes on everything before you hit submit, Pennie provides incredible 100% free localized help. You can call their customer service reps directly at 1-844-844-8040, or honestly, even better, just go to pennie.com/connect to find Pennie certified professionals and brokers right in your local zip code. These are licensed experts whose entire job is to help get you across the finish line, and it costs you absolutely $0 to use them. How great is that?
At the end of the day, securing health insurance isn't just about fulfilling some requirement, it's really about claiming that peace of mind and the financial security that you and your family deserve. You've got the tools, you have the roadmap, and now you have access to the subsidies. The only thing left is for you to actually take action. Now, just as a quick reminder, this explainer is for informational purposes only, and it obviously can't account for your highly unique tax or medical situation. So please utilize those free Pennie certified professionals for personalized advice. So what do you say? Are you ready to finally take control of your healthcare costs today? Thanks so much for learning with me, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.